Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's get right into it because right now Bitcoin is getting such crazy movements. Obviously not, but we have been getting very big moves in the S&P 500, the stock market, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, and the Russell 2000 have all been very volatile. Same thing for the bond yields. But again, if you guys want to check out that analysis, it will be posted on Hedgeline Trading. The link is in the description. You guys can check out that analysis over there if you guys are into stocks and you're wondering if the stock market's going to crash and stuff like that. But right now we're going to do some analysis on Bitcoin. And again, we are still consolidating sideways. A very lackluster day today, 26,000, 200, and we closed around there. And if we take a look at market cipher, again, nothing new here. Still red money flow, and you can see that the momentum waves are starting to extend towards the downside here. So again, please pay attention to this, right? Again, you want to see the momentum waves come up, right? For bullish price action, right now they're starting to come down. And on top of that, you have the dual band strength index showing us, and we have a 12 and a -1 at the moment on the daily time frame today. Or sorry, yesterday. I mean, technically still today, but yesterday's candle we had 12 and a -2. So this was today's candle. This is our new candle for tomorrow technically, and then we'll have to see how this one's going to close. If we get over to the shorter time frames here, we can see that we're actually forming a little bit of a bullish pattern right now. We're actually getting some nice momentum waves starting to curl up early on. We have a green dot. So we'll have to see if Bitcoin can push up, because right now the markets are getting to some pretty oversold territory. So it would not surprise me at all if we get a nice little rally in the market, a little bit of a relief rally, and then we start to see Bitcoin perk up a little bit. That would be nice to see. And if it comes back up to retest 28,000, I will be entering another short position and potentially even adding to some existing ones on Bitcoin, because I still do expect the bigger move is going to be towards the downside. Because again, I just want to show you guys who are watching this video that here's the commitment of traders report from last week, and commercial money is still net short. They have removed a good chunk, right? They removed 500 contracts from the short side, but they are still short 2,127 contracts. They're only long 130, right? And right now, the non-reportables, dumb money, right? Retail long 1,191 contracts and short 791. But we'll have to see how this plays out, because obviously for the CFT futures, it seems like the commercial money moves money pretty fast there. But again, the moves are still, valid, right? So we'll move on. We'll take a look at wave edge here, and on the daily time frame, we still had that red cross, essentially like last week, and then it's still playing out. We'll just have to wait and see if we get more downside. If we take a look at some smaller time frames, like the 4-hour, we're getting a couple of green crosses here, but no significant buying. And if we take a look at the 1-hour time frame, we actually had some whales starting to accumulate here, and that position, this area right here, is still being defended. So if you're looking to a long, it's not a bad idea. If you're a short-term trader with some high leverage, maybe you can get a pop up to 26,700. But don't bet the whole farm on it, and set your stop below this level right here. If it takes it out and if we start to move lower, then you want to be careful. You want to play it safe. Okay. All right. So again, my targets are still lower. It's still around 21,000 to 20,000. To it'll range within this area. I could draw you guys a green box if you want. It's still going to be around that area, that long area that I'm going to be looking for. All right, so I'll just draw it out here. I have so many Bitcoin charts. I think I'm gonna start deleting some because I'm always getting mixed up. But overall, anywhere in this area, I would start to open a long position. Wow, that's really red. I think this was what I was using for the thumbnails the other day. We'll just reduce the opaque. Sorry, no, there we go. There we go, opacity. There we go. We'll see. There we go. So essentially, if we start to come back down within this area, I'm going to be looking for some long positions. Obviously, again, No, not really any price action today, so I can't really add to any more of the analysis that I've been putting out for the last couple of days. But overall, nothing has changed. The count is still valid. It's an ABC pattern towards the downside. We had five ways up. I'm seeing a lot of people that are getting very, very bullish on Bitcoin. Again, right now we're just sitting underneath all the moving averages. We're underneath the 20, we're underneath the 50, we're underneath the 200, we're underneath the 100. But again, yes, could we start to pop back up? Absolutely. Anything is possible, but the probabilities are favored towards the downside right now. Anyways, that's it basically for today. I'm going to be doing a little bit more analysis on hedge line trading for the stock market because we have been getting some very violent moves there. And I do want to give you guys an update on what is going on with the S&P and the QQQ on Market Cypher. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Love you all. Peace.